Star City! Star City! Ano yung KFC? Bakit yung KFC?
Kami kakain, bukas! Close your eyes and make believe this is where you wanna be. Forgetting all the memories. Try to forget love, cause love's forgotten me. Well, hey, hey, baby, it's never too late. Pretty soon you won't remember a thing. And I'll be distant as stars, reminiscing. Your heart's been wasted on me. You've never been so used as I'm using you, abusing you, my little decoy. Don't look so blue, you should have seen right through. I'm using you, my little decoy. My little decoy. Live your life inside a dream. Time is changing everything. Forgetting. Forgetting all the memories, and I'm forced into you just cause you're into me.
Kala pa na kayo mga!
Ay po kayo hapon. Ay, nakadahon.
Uy, si Pao, nagtatapos.
Di pa na aircon eh. Kapag mukha mo mara aircon pa.
Hindi ano, parang may...
Pao lang ka lang kita, dayo.
Luna, dito po ako sa Ferris wheel.
Ano sinabi ng bawa ay dito? Uy, no! No!
Okay, ayan na po ang Manila. Nakikita nyo ba yon?
Hindi.
Oh. Hindi siya nakikita ni Ching. Anong number nito? 13.
Mga... Kambal po talaga sila.
Nahihila ako.
Buhay pa kayo umihi. Madali, buksan natin pinto.
Okay. Ganda? Maganda!
Nick, nasa... Anong floor na to?
111 feet.
Ay, sabi ko floor. Okay.
Anong floor na to, Mara? Pwede ka nang tumalon.
Mga 30 feet.
Okay, ba't nag-stock? Okay. Bakit nag-stock up?
Never too late when I'm gone, you won't remember a thing. Sa tuktok na po kami.
Ng mundo.
Sa taas na po kami.
And now, it's time for Ching.
Ching-tingin ka daw doon.
Tsaka, kunwari nagsa-cellphone. Okay, bababa na tayo. Bababa na tayo. We're going
Nasa
down.
tuktok na po kami.
Tungeks, pababa na tayo. Ayan na, yung tuktok ko.
Ay, ano po?
I won't wait, I was gone.
Okay, start flying.
You've never been so used as I'm using you, abusing you, my little decoy. Don't look so blue, you should have seen right
We're
through.
going home.
Using you, my little decoy.
Kinain. Ching, ano nabili mo?
Star City.
How's your trip na?
Grabe surprise.
Grabe yung star flying. Tinawag niya, Star Flyer yung surprise.
Oo nga.